Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about using Cyperus Rotundus oil for hair removal. This oil is a natural remedy for permanent hair removal, backed by traditional and modern research. So, what is Cyperus Rotundus oil? It's derived from a plant known for its medicinal benefits. This oil is commonly used for skincare and, more recently, for its hair growth inhibition properties. Many people seek it as a natural, painless alternative to waxing, shaving, or chemical creams. If you want to get rid of your unwanted hair in just 14 days permanently and naturally at home, click the link in bio and try item number 1 or item number 6. Cyperus Rotundus oil inhibits hair follicle activity, reducing hair growth over time. It works gradually, so patience and consistency are key to seeing permanent results. The oil is applied topically to the skin, penetrating the follicles to slow down hair regrowth. Step 1. Clean the area you want to treat thoroughly before applying the oil. Step 2. Take a few drops of Cyperus Rotundus oil and massage it into the skin. Step 3. Let the oil absorb into the skin for about 20 minutes, then gently rinse off. Repeat this process twice a day, morning and evening, for consistent results. Results vary, but you may start seeing reduced hair growth after 2 to 4 weeks of use. For significant results, continuous application for 2 to 3 months is recommended. Permanent hair removal requires long-term use, so patience is key for best outcomes. Benefit 1. It's a painless alternative to waxing, laser, or shaving. Benefit 2. Cyperus Rotundus oil is natural, free of harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. While rare, some people may experience mild skin irritation or allergic reactions. Do a patch test first by applying a small amount of oil to your skin and waiting 24 hours. Go through the instruction and guidelines before application for effective results. If you're looking for a natural, long-term solution to hair removal, give Cyperus Rotundus oil a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Click the link in description for more details.